Hi Scorpios, welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be your reading for October 15 to the 31st. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the next 15 days. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright, and a quick tip to understand whether this resonated or not. If the current situation is resonating with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Alright, so let's see what's going on with you, Scorpios, currently. What's going on with Scorpios currently? Five of Pentacles, the Chariot, Ace of Wands, and Four of Wands. Okay, so quite confusing. See, I think your focus could be changing at this point. Maybe your entire focus is shifting to something else. Maybe a way of living or a way of doing things is also changing at this point. You are changing as a person. You feel that in you. Maybe you could be becoming distant right now. All right. I am also seeing somewhere that you want or you're seeking a relationship which is fulfilling from inside. You want that, okay? But it's probably not going to that place as such. So you could be feeling a little alone. You want some action from that side, but nothing seems to be happening over there. So that puts you in a spot. That maybe puts you in a state of dilemma, and you get confused that, I mean, can I invest myself here? Is it worth it? And it's exciting, but is it going to be reliable? That's what I'm seeing here. And moreover, the point is that you have some dreams in regards to this person. Like, you feel a certain way, you connect with this person in a certain way, and it is just kind of difficult for you to not imagine things with this person. So maybe you're feeling connected and there are fears here. All right, like you feel a certain way, but then you're not being able to do anything about it. Okay, so if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Wow. Okay, a good time ahead of you, Scorpio. But you still have fears. Three of Wands. Okay, you still cannot trust this person. However, maybe because this person doesn't communicate with you enough. Okay? Maybe this person doesn't say things enough. And that's what kind of confuses you, that whether you actually want to be here or not, or is it worth it or not. You could be confused there. So I'm actually seeing that somewhere I think the Ace of Wands is there, the Ace of Pentacles is what bothers you. You think that yes, the passion, the excitement is there, but you don't know if this relationship can become stable between the two of you. That's one major issue that you have at this point. And you're still thinking whether, this is going to work out in your favor or not. Are things going to fall into place or not? So you're a little concerned about that area, is what I'm seeing. And that, so this person is still going to be the same. I don't see that. But see, your fears are kind of overpowering you, which is not very good for you. Okay? That's what I'm seeing. So at this stage, I don't see too much of changes coming in these 15 days. But yeah, your fears is something that can mess it up. So you take a decision. Either you are in it or you're out of it. Because see, you can't, or you have a heart-to-heart conversation with this person that this is what I'm looking for. And can you give this to me? Have that conversation. Okay? Let's see what is the advice for you here. What is the advice for you here? Archangel Raphael, waiting for a green signal from us. Here it is. Financial prosperity and opportunities are here. Be wise and rational in your approach. Make a list of points and take a step by step plan. Now work according to it. Make a plan. That's the advice here. Okay, Scorpios, so that is what I have for your reading. I hope this helps you, and you can leave your comments in the comment section below if this resonated. Also, guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings and more insights, hopefully. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye.